Hey guys, what is going on? Lego Man 123 and welcome back to another video where today I'll be reviewing the Lego City Garbage Truck set 60386. And in this set, it does include 3 minifigures as well as a cat. For a set that only includes 3 minifigures, those being 2 workers and a civilian, I definitely think it is the perfect minifig selection for a set like this. So now moving on to the builds for this set. And it's built up on one of the bases you would see in a junior set, which I was definitely surprised to see in a Lego City set. And the inclusion of the tree in the top right corner, I really like. I just wish they maybe added some more plant pieces just to add a bit more detail to it, because it does look a little plain in some areas. However, the inclusion of this base actually works really well, rather than just giving us a build for the 3 bins and having nowhere to actually position them on top of. As for the bins, they are separated by rubbish, paper, and glass. So now moving on to the main build for this set, it is of course the garbage truck. And what I love most about this build is the really unique and interesting design, as well as the numerous play features and movable parts throughout the build. And its color scheme as well is quite an interesting one, but I definitely think it works really well. With all the different movable parts, I definitely think they work really well in conveying the real life parts on a garbage truck that are actually able to move, and how they operate to actually put the garbage into the actual garbage truck. And I definitely think how they've been able to do it in Lego form with their own sort of twist on it just works really well. And I just love the transition of them and just how smooth they are. So now we'll take a look at the packaging for this set, and something that surprised me is that you actually get 3 manuals. And as for advertisements, you only get them in manuals 1 and 3. And the first one is an advertisement for the other Lego City sets within this wave, as well as an advertisement for Rebuild the World. Then in book 1, it also does have an advertisement for the other Lego City sets within this wave, and another advertisement for Rebuild the World. Then as for the box, I really like the box art on the front with this somewhat city landscape to it. I definitely think it works really well. Then turning it around, it does show off some of the play features and how they work. But apart from that, I would definitely love to hear your thoughts and opinions about this set down in the comments below, because I definitely think this is one of my more favourite LEGO City sets, and although it's small compared to other ones, I definitely think with how they've designed it and for what's included, I definitely think it is worth it, especially for just how unique and interesting the garbage truck is, and the minifig selection as well is perfect, and the inclusion of the side build just works really well in conveying that idea as well. So, as always, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this and continue to so. Goodbye!